I'm trying to talk.
You started it. There's a bottle cap on the surface there, so it's worth testing.
Yeah. All right.
Right, I'll see you in a minute.
Second dig of the day. I'm down at Greatstone. I'm out with the Deeper Bleeper. He's there off in the distance. Running with the Deus 2. Just out for having a bit of fun and a bit of a chat. See you at the first hole. Enjoy. Now, oh, you're having a laugh. Give a bit of shit. Can lid. Right, we're out. He's out now anyway. Yay! 20p.
Well shouted.
Yeah.
First corner of the day?
Certainly is.
Well, we're here anyway.
Yep.
Well done. Give that your two. Feel the weight of that compared to... Cool. Fucking hell, it's a lot lighter, isn't it?
Yeah, but they are good, but you can see it's bending.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's well heavy.
Yeah.
I like it. I
It's
like
a bit
that
of
though.
kit though, isn't it?
Yeah,
But yeah.
I do like that.
But I am going to swap handles. I've got an alley handle at home.
Yeah,
It's a wood.
because this is a two-parter, but it bends,
Yeah.
and I've already straightened that once as well.
Have
Yeah.
Pages. Right, start doing something else.
Yeah.
Mental health and physical health. It's the only time you ain't worrying about the rest of the world, really. What's up? What's that shit now you got it out? Ah, foiled.
Bottom of a can.
It sounded nice then.
Fucking did. 81 as well. No, if you want free parking, you're going to have to park up on East Cliff.
And
Walk down. If I'm doing the sands, I'll go up onto East Cliff, and then I'll just walk down the steps.
Oh, is it not too bad if you
No.
go down the steps?
No.
Yeah.
So it's probably about 50 steps you go down. You're on the bottom platform. You walk along about halfway. If the tide's out and you're happy to go across rocks and slip, then go down the very first exit. But if not, walk a bit further along. And then there's some steps that go onto the sand, and then just work your way backwards. Just to cover the ground that you've just missed.
Right. I've
Um,
only ever walked sort of round that warren.
I've had
a walk. You can...
Oh yeah, you can't take detectors on the Warren.
No, I didn't. I was just walking
Yeah.
the dog. But...
No, because that's where we go fossil hunting.
Oh, so you're not allowed to detect
No.
down there then?
No, it's a protected area.
Right. Yeah.
I think it's because of the Roman villa and that.
Because there was one.
Yeah,
there,
where there was one up above that
Yeah,
collapsed,
fell
and
in.
then there's another one up there that's underground now, about 12 feet down.
Ah.
Because every now and again you'll find a Roman fibula
Yeah.
Yeah, down on that Warren Beach.
Yeah. See, I ain't found a Roman Flippy yet.
No, I haven't either, but I know that the Grim Reaper did. Grim Bleeper, rather.
Yeah, we see him at that thing. Did you see him?
At where?
At the fucking great number shit. That sounded nice, didn't it? At the detective rally we was at.
What, the Joan Allen one?
Yeah.
I didn't see him
He
there.
was parked next to us.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, give me one of his blue sticker sew-on things, the old Grim Bleeper.
Oh, right. What, Lucas?
Yeah.
I
Chris
didn't
is
see him.
mate.
Huh?
You know Chris?
Yeah,
Fixes the bleed.
Chris is...
Chris's mate. He always
Yeah.
sort of bumps into him
Yeah.
everywhere. I reckon they
I know
mate.
Chris was there, but I
Yeah,
didn't
Chris.
see I didn't see Lucas there.
Yeah, he was as well. I see him parked next to him. Had a little
Oh,
chat
right.
and all that,
Oh, if I'd known, I would have gone down to find him.
Because really, I was thinking about it. You're the only person I actually stopped in the road and spoke to.
Yeah.
I spoke to loads of people.
Well, my missus said, because obviously I was still recording at the time, and she went, "Who's that?"
Oh, what, when I stopped to
I'd
speak
forgot
to
to
you?
turn it off. And I went, "Oh, I don't know, it's just one of the guys there." I said he was really chatty. And I've met you, a few times since. I said, it's nice. I said, because I've got, potentially I've got someone that I can go out with.
Exactly.
I said, which is nice, because I'm always on my own.
Me and all most of the time. I don't meet up with different people.
Yeah, see, I don't. I'm always on my own, unless I go on a group dig.
Can you pause that a minute?
Hey?
You not go out after dark then?
Yeah, sometimes I do. I've got the head torch in the van.
Oh, have you? You always carry mine just in case. You never know when you get carried away.
Fucking earbud. An earbud.
It takes all sorts, mate. Beats me how someone goes home with one earbud, mate.
Yeah. Well, how did they lose it in the first place?
I ain't had a ring for a long time.
No, I got one the other week.
What, junker or...
Yeah.
I had a junker cut a few weeks ago, but I ain't really had nothing.
What is that? What's that?
A nose trimmer. What's that, a nose trimmer or something?
No, it's got a blade in it, but... What is that?
Was that a cutter? Is that a tile cutter or
I ain't got a clue.
grouter? Grout remover? Something like that.
Don't know.
Well, if we're going for unusual finds today, I think you're winning.
I want a few coins. I don't want to find all this.
You should have found my stapler. Then you had a stapler.
I like finding coins better.
Yeah, me and all. What's there, a hook on there?
No, it's just the end nodule.
Ah, alright. Still sounded alright though.
Yeah.
How many times have you been out with the day?
I think it's about the 4th time now. It's either the third or 4th time.
Well, you like it though?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the, hold on a minute, how many? Once, twice, 3. Yeah, it's the 4th, I think it's the 4th time. I've only had it just over a week.
I see it land on your door, so I was like...
Yeah. Yeah. Not. Can't believe it. I haven't even got enough for a video.
It's like when I went home from there, she went, "Is that all you've got?" I went, "I'm not being funny, bud, I dug 8 holes." I said, "I can only dig what there is." I said, "I can't dig what there ain't."
No, I've got more off of Camber, and a lot of them the wind was blowing that hard, it was revealing them anyway.
Yeah, didn't need a detector.
No. I think it was only £1 and maybe a couple of other coins that I actually detected. The rest of them I could see. £1, I think it was £1 and a 50p, and the rest of it was all there.
Please find something so I can stop the find.
89 to 91.
Oh. Yeah, I can't believe that. It's quite a long old walk really. It ain't as long as I normally do, but I'm saying that's quite a long old walk and have no signal, isn't it?
Yep.
You've got a drink?
In the van.
No, I meant here.
Nah.
Oh, well, I've got one. Do you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
I've got one.
Oh, honestly, I'm fine.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying I've got a flask of coffee if you want a drop. And luckily, my missus just bought me this little fruit flask the other day. So in theory, I now got 2 cups, whereas I only ever used to have 1 cup.
Yeah, I normally just, you having a laugh.
Yeah, I ain't the biggest cup in the world, but it still gives you a wet.
What do you think that's going to be?
Right?
Oh, it's a car.
Was that a 90?
Yeah, well, it was
Yeah.
88 to 91. Yeah, but it's not that. How fucking deep it was.
That's what I mean, there's nothing wrong with the depth of these. When people moan about them, I think, oh, shut up.
Getting a bit dark now to video.
That's what I quite like about the phone. It does give you the light with it and lets you video in the dark, which is superb.
The Hot Wheels.
Yeah, I've been collecting my cars from down here. I've got quite a collection.
I'll give them to my grandson.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah. So that Hot Wheels, and that was. Let's use this pinpointer. 'Cause what's these ones? These are 8s, aren't they? Are they 8s?
8 inch. Oh, fuck me.
It's a foot down.
Yeah.
That's got to be a foot down. Got to be.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the depth, mate.
Nah.
Oh, this is dire.
Yep.